When you open your email account and see unwanted emails from a company promoting their offers, product or service, or other emails that say you've won so and so money or that ask you to update your billing records by clicking at a link, you'll be probably tempted to delete such spam emails immediately. However, decluttering your inbox may take some time, but it won't stop them from coming back. What should you do in that case? Well, there are 4 interesting tips that I believe that can help you in reducing the spam emails to a good extent. Let's check them out. Marketing emails are one of the main sources of receiving such unwanted emails from either a legitimate company in the form of newsletters, ads, etc., or an illegitimate company or a spammer which obtains your email ID by hacking the internet service provider or receives your email ID from a website where you willingly created an account. When you sign up for a service with a legitimate company, in some cases, you automatically sign up to receive such emails from them. Whereas in other cases, during the sign up process, many of us forget to untick the box of marketing and proceed with the registration process and end up receiving these spam emails. It's important to note that among these emails, there will be ones from spammers with a similar message of a legitimate company. To stop them, in the first case of an email from a legitimate company, we will first select their email, head down to the end of their email and look for the unsubscribe option. When you click on it, you'll be redirected to their page where you will either be removed from their mailing list or will ask you to confirm your action. However, if you don't remember signing up with the service or agreed to receive their promotional email, even though they show the unsubscribe option at the end of their message, do not click on it, as most likely the spammer wants you to verify that your email ID is valid and then they can proceed to send you or flood your account with spam emails. In other words, the unsubscribe option in this case is useless. Now that we know the unsubscribe feature works in some places and not everywhere, this brings me to my second tip, and that is to use the report and block feature which is provided by most email service providers such as Gmail. With this feature, you can train your email service provider to improve its filtering process and block such emails from appearing directly in your inbox. To do this, I'll use one of the spam emails to train the spam filter. If you're using Gmail or Microsoft Outlook or previously known as Hotmail, select the 3 dots from the right corner of the email, then select both report spam and block options. For other service providers, you'll need to check their help page to find both these options. Third option can be to use a disposable temporary email ID which is similar to the real email ID that you create on Gmail, Yahoo, etc. The only difference here is you can generate a random and a temporary email address which is very handy where you rarely visit a website or want to access content such as articles, blogs, or in case you want to comment. That way, if the company sends their various promotional mails to this email address or share your email address with a third-party company, your temporary account will handle all of this. Moreover, such accounts expire after a certain period of time, which makes it unusable for the companies and spammers. Another example can be if a company where you willingly signed up using your real email ID and gets hacked, your personal details might get compromised and end up on a spam list which can be used by anyone on the internet and becomes another source of receiving spam and cluttering your inbox. Responding to every email isn't necessary, and it's also an important way to avoid spammers. If you receive an unwanted email that is not sent by a legitimate company or is pretending to be one, then most likely it's a spammer. If you respond to them that you no longer wish to be contacted, then you have just confirmed to them that your email is valid and they are going to send even more spam emails, putting you at even greater risk. That's all for today. I hope the tips I shared were helpful. Let us know in the comment section what other steps do you take to avoid spam emails apart from the ones mentioned in the video. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you later.